Now let us add the main plot title to our bar plot. So in order to do that, we're gonna come here and say main, then we're gonna say this was favorite English Premier League team, right? So if you run this, you observe we have added the title. We can also add the axis labels and say, for example, this x-axis labels is represented the English Premier League team, and then the y labels were representing the number of football fans. So if you run this, you observe that we have added the x and y labels, and we have also added the title. So that is how you can simply keep on customizing your own bar graph according to your, according to the way that you want it to look like.